All right. We're doing the wheel bearings on the Pontiac G6 here. I already got the bottom 2 bolts off. I just have the top one. I can't use my air gun on it because there's not enough room with the extension, because you got to use the extension to get on this top one, but it's coming. So we're getting that one. But that's not the main purpose of this video. The main purpose of this video is to show you my tool that I just made for removing these stubborn wheel bearings that don't want to come off when you live up here in the Great White North. So we are going to get this off. Okay. All right, that one's out. That one's out. Okay. Now I gotta get this center nut off. I will use the air on. There's that. Oh, look at that. It's even broke loose. So now, the other side I did, it was on there. I heated it with my naphtha torch. I had it red hot. I pounded the crap out of it. Nothing worked. All right, so I built this. This is my new, this is my new favorite tool. This thing is awesome. So you put it on. I got another lug nut. We just have to get it in there and started. Just get a few threads. You don't have to have it super tight. All right, now it's on. Now if I can get this thing turn, it won't turn, but it should still work. I'm gonna try to turn it on the other side so it'll turn. It will not turn, but let's try it. Let's just try it. Okay, let me move my welder out of the way. Alright, so as you can see, I just made this out of tube, iron, little 12 gauge, I think it's 1.5 inch steel plate, or bar. I welded everything up, and easy as that. It's off. And I actually just had all this stuff, this metal just lying around in my shop here. I just welded it up real quick here 15-20 minutes ago, and it works like a charm. So if you have the wherewithal to do this, you can make your own tool, and it makes getting these wheel bearings out so much easier. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.